How might we make an assistive Bluetooth controller that allows K through 12 students to use switches for everyday iPad use? K through 12 students with physical disabilities use assistive technology with the help of occupational therapists and special education teachers. Some examples are adaptive switches with a Bluetooth or PalPad, which connect to iPads wirelessly and allow the student to operate the iPad without touching the iPad surface. However, these devices can be cost prohibitive. Creating a Bluetooth keyboard input through open source technology means that K through 12 students can have access, and the switches can be modular to meet the students' need. They can use switches to play a game or navigate an app. In this video, I am showcasing a Bluetooth-enabled keyboard controller for any device that accepts Bluetooth connection, such as this iPhone or an iPad. Current setup shows an Arduino ESP32 connected to my iPhone through Bluetooth. On this breadboard, the ESP32 is wired to a yellow tactile push button, and when I press this button, it sends the word "Hey" to my phone, which currently has the Notes app open. The code is based on a Bluetooth keyboard library from GitHub. The program shows the setup for naming the Bluetooth device and the main function that detects whether the yellow button is pressed. When it's pressed, it sends a command to send the keys to type the word "Hey." On the iPhone, I just make sure that I'm connected to the Bluetooth keyboard, and when I press the button, the word is sent to my phone. The Bluetooth capability means that this Arduino can be connected to an external battery pack and carried around with the device without being tethered to a computer. This controller can be adapted to send a single keystroke, and the iOS program can use that keystroke to play a game or navigate an app.